Hi, this is Dave, and in this video I'm going to cover how to use Multicollab sidebar. So let's get started. So currently I'm using the Multicollab version 3.1 and this is the Multicollab's Premium Pro plan. Let me now guide you how you can access the sidebar in Multicollab. So for that, you need to click here on this Multicollab icon. Once you click here, you would find here all the different options. If you don't find this Multicollab icon, then in that case you need to click here on this three dots and you can click here on Multicollab. So in that way you can also reach out to this option. You can see here this is the activities section. Here you can find an activity logs of all the collaborator. So right now you can see here the name of the collaborator along with the different activities. So that also helps you to track the past records of the collaborator, like what the collaborator commented, if they have already marked few of the comments resolved. You can also see the suggestion, if any of the suggestion rejected, by whom this collaborator provided the suggestion and this one has rejected the one. You can find the if the suggestion has been accepted by the collaborator and the collaborator who already provided the suggestion as well. So in that way, this is more of the activity logs you can consider on, which can help you out to track the all the past activities. Another part is you can directly click here and this will bring you to the respective suggestion or comment. So as you can see here, I click on that and that drags me here, and if I click here on this comment, then that will directly take me to the respective comment. So this activities will help you to track all the different past activities of different collaborator. Another option that you can find under the sidebar is the settings. From here you can hide and show comments and suggestion, and you can turn on the suggestion mode. So I have already recorded the video which can help you out to understand more regarding how you can hide and show comments and suggestion and how you can turn on the suggestion mode. So I'm going to add the link of the video under the description box, so you can check that video and it can help you out to understand more regarding these options. The third one, which is this summary part. So this is the summary board wherein you can see the all the different statistics of comments and suggestions, and you can also see the who are the different collaborators for this entire content. So you can see here the name of the collaborator and the statistics of total comments under this content, then the current open comments and resolved comment. So you can see here, and so it's easier to track on the base of statistics. Same here for the suggestion. You can also find some statistics, which is also very important while you're working on any content. So you can also find the different stuff regarding the statistics. So in that way, the summary board is important to track any statistics for the comments and suggestion. So this is how the Multicollab sidebar has a different features and how you can get a benefit of Multicollab sidebar. Thank you for using Multicollab.